Hello friends, this is Umesh Arora and today we are going to create this model using wireframe and surface design. So here we have three views. So first of all I'm going to start with helix and the diameter of this helix is 40, right? So let's start with the wireframe. So start wireframe surface design and the diameter is 40. So I'm going to add a point and the gap is 20 from the origin. Right now exit and go to helix. My start point is this, axis is z, so right click here and add this g, and the pitch is 2, so add pitch as 2, and the height is also 2. Okay, so add 2 and click OK and see. This is the first helix and hide this sketch. Now I want to extend it, so I'm going to use this extrapolate, and the boundary is this point and this is the line, and extend it. This gap is 30, so enter this value as 30, and my support plane is default plane is working here properly, so no need to change, right? And go to this line, and I'm using point and direction for this upper line, this line, and the point is this, and the direction about this plane, and 13 is the length. And for this one I'm using point and the plane is this, but in reverse direction, and this gap is 20. Again line a little bit up, so click it, plane is this, and this gap is 10. Okay, one more line, this is the point and the plane, again 10, and click OK. So all the curves are now ready. Now define the corner or fillet. So I'm going to use this corner, and here I'm using 3D corner, and switch on this trim 1 and trim 2, first curve and second curve, and the radius is 8, and see the preview, so it is coming here. So by default it is selecting with this, so reverse the direction or next solution. So this is the solution. Okay, see it is now match. Again use this first line and then second line, and this time the radius is 3, enter 3, double click over it so I can use it multiple time, and 3, apply again for this same 3, and OK. So my sketch is ready now, and if you want to create this coil in surface, so I have this option in sweep, and go to this center and the radius. So center curve is this, and the radius will be half of this too, so 1 is a dia, and see it is in surface. And if you want to make this coil as a solid, so I am using this circle, my base point is this, and support is this one, full circle with radius of 1.0, right? Now go to part design, and this is the rib profile along the center curve, and click OK. So this is a way to create this kind of curve. Hope you understand it properly. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.